Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to add payout method on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Stockx and then log into your account. So once you have already logged into your account here, so what are you going to do? You're going to click on your profile here. So click on your profile, hover over on your profile on your top right and then go to the settings option here. So click on settings. So once you get to the settings option here, so just waiting for this to load. Okay, so once you're on your settings, account settings here, so what are you simply going to do? You're going to simply hit on this edit option here next to buying info. So just hit on edit, and then now once you hit on edit, so here this is where you add your payout method. So you can choose your payout method. So I have these two options here. This option varies according to your location. So I have these options here. So for example, if I want to add a credit or debit card method, I'll select that, then add in my billing details and card details, hit next and complete the process. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.